I want to welcome everyone to the first quarter Health and Safety meeting. My name is Amanda Sheridan, and I am the Health and Safety representative for the company V3. V3 is a family-owned florist shop located in London, Ontario. The owners are sisters Violet, Viola, and Venora Pierce. I represent 15 employees, 10 of which are full-time and include manager Lily McClellan, as well as myself. It has been brought to my attention that there are some moderate health and safety violations present at V3. My objective for this meeting is to inform you about my concerns and offer solutions for your consideration. My first concern has to do with scissors and knives being carried around in apron pockets. These are the tools of the trade for a florist and present various health and safety issues. They are sharp and can inflict a serious cut or injury and can create strained or damaged hands. These tools should not be carried in clothing or pockets unless held by a specifically designed carrier like a tool belt. On several occasions, I have witnessed employees carrying their sharp tools around the shop with them in their apron pockets. In our establishment, we have on average 60 minor scissor-related injuries within a 3-month period. In similar establishments, after the introduction of a florist tool belt, the number of reported incidents was cut in half following 3 months. An additional 6 months sees the scissors-related injuries drop to just once per week on average. Once employees get used to wearing the tool belt as a part of their uniform, they will stop putting sharp objects into their aprons and enjoy making use of the safer storage options the belt has to offer. My second concern has to do with hazardous chemicals and materials not being disposed of in the correct manner. By establishing safer working practices, I believe we can cut the incidence of improper disposal methods down to zero. We need to implement an employee education program regarding safe work practices. This program would include safe methods of using and storing equipment and materials. It would inform the staff of how hazardous and non-hazardous waste should be managed. For example, broken glass should be first safely wrapped in layers of paper and marked broken glass on top. After disposing of it, it should then be immediately placed into the outside bin. Washing hands after handling poisonous flower materials such as eucalyptus, using spray paint in a well-ventilated area, and not to place floral foams over your eye level. While all full-time employees are required to have first aid training, the part-time employees are not subject to this requirement. Given the hazardous chemicals and plants the staff handle on a daily basis, it is imperative that each and every employee has the proper training in case of an incident. While you are not legally required to provide first aid training to your employees, I think you'll find that footing the cost for this program will lead to increased compliance with the health and safety standards. Addressing these health and safety concerns will improve the employees' work environment and result in less work-related injuries.